I have a short video. It's about 5 minutes in total. And it's just teaching you the very basic step that is with channel dancing. So if you want to stand up, if you want to give it a go, if you're sitting nice and comfortably, that's okay. You can push yourself to the end of your seat and you can just perform it maybe sitting. But it's just a small little introductory into channel dancing. I don't know if any of you have come into contact with channel dancing before, but this might be a small little introduction. So even if you don't want to dance, you can, as I said, sit down, give it a go, or even just give it a listen. So it's about 4 or 5 minutes long in total. Just loosen up your bodies, because channel dancing, we don't want any tension, and we want you just to be free with your lava and with your curp, with your body. Okay, so we're going to start off today just with a heel and a stamp. Okay, so just to start off with you have your cus jas, your right foot, and show me your sol, shin A. We swap over and show me your other sol, shin A, and then we swap again, and I want you to bool on order. Okay, so to stamp the floor. So we have a sol, stand back, sol, shas arash, bool, shin A. Okay, so risht, hain, do, tree, sol, sheer, bool. Risht, hain, do, tree, sol, agus, bool. Or one more time, sol, agus, bool. Shinne, intach. Okay, so we're going to start off on our cus jas on our right foot. Okay, so we start off cus jas, sol, bool, shinne. When we do that, like when we put our heels out, and we always stand back. So when we stamp, I want you also to stand back. Okay, so risht, sol, sheer, bool, shas sheer, stand back, and heel, back, stamp, bring it back. Okay, again, so we try that on the left foot, cus clay risht, sol, the spawn number sol, that's it. We stand back and we switch, shin A, we stand back and we bool and thorlor. Okay, so risht, the cus clay left foot, heel, and stamp. One more time, heel, bring it back, and a nice stamp like that. Okay, so we're going to start from the beginning again. We're going to join on ga cus, the 2 feet. So the right foot, we're going to start off with that. Right, hain, do, tree, sol, bool, sheer, agus, sol, bool, sheer, sol, bool, sheer, sol, bool, sheer. Lovely. So we had 4 there. And what we want to do is we want to build it up. We want 8 gain. We want 8 of them all together. So we'll start off again and we'll try 4 one more time at a slightly quicker pace. A hain, a do, a tree, sol, bool, agus, sol, bool, sheer, iver tree, sol, bool, bring it back, and sol, bool. Lovely. That was 4 we had there. We want to continue on, double that up, and we want 8 gain, 8 of them all together. Okay, so we'll do it a slightly slower pace just to build up to 8, and we'll pick it up there. Okay, so cus jas and risht. That's it. We're going to start with our cus jas. Hain, do, tree, sol, bool, bring it back, heel, stamp, and heel, stamp, bring it back, heel, stamp. Continue on. This is number 5. Stamp, heel, stamp, heel, stamp, bring it back, and last one, intach. So for the last one, we just want one final stamp. Okay, so we'll build that up one more time, slightly quicker again, and then we'll bond trilos. We'll try it with the kill. Okay, so Masha Gachtara, you're doing brilliant so far. So again, we start on the right foot, the cus jas. A 1, 2, 3, and heel, stamp, bring back, heel, stamp, heel, stamp, and heel, stamp. Number 5. Stamp 6, and heel, stamp 7, and heel, a final stamp like that. Brilliant. Anna her fad. So we'll try it with the music. We'll try it again, like I said, when we do this, we'll try and do it in a circle, but for now, we just want it, you're facing the one direction. Okay? So Bonham with Trilas, we'll try it with the kill. So listening to the kill first, agaish lesh, tapping your foot, and on my count then, we'll give it a go together. I want 2 of them. Heel, stamp, heel, stamp. Lovely. Hain, do, tree, caher. Heel, heel, stamp, heel, heel, stamp. Ítach. I want 4 this time. 3, cathair. Sol, sol, bull, sol, sol, bull, sol, sol, bull, sol, sol, ítach. Really good. We give the whole 8 a blast now. Hey, so 3, cathair. Sol, sol, 1, heel, heel, stamp. Heel, heel, stamp, bring back, heel, heel, stamp. 5, 6, 7, and finish up. What shiv ar fad? Anna, what? We'll give that one more go together. So we'll get an Aisha clutch and go. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel, heel, stamp. 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 And heel, heel. Ítach, what shiv? We're going to give it a go maybe in a circle now. So again, every time, just remember, every time you put out your sol, your heel.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay, so that was just a small little introductory into that Sean-nós dancing step. That step would also be probably the most popular of all the Sean-nós dancing steps because that comes into a lot of other steps that you perform. You have that heel, heel stamp. So when I was speaking there, just to clarify, it was bilingual, so there was a little bit of English and there was a little bit of Irish there. But I hope that you did enjoy that and that you gave it a go. So just